Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on your HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. First of all, open the control center by clicking these three icons on your taskbar. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is enabled. If it's not, click on the Wi-Fi icon and make it turn the blue color. Then click the arrow icon next to it and select the Wi-Fi network that you want to connect to. If you want to connect to it automatically, then hit this checkbox, click connect, and then enter the password to your network if prompted. And after that, you'll be connected to the Wi-Fi network. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.